how to refer a friend in Bet365. So the idea is that if you are the person that wants to refer a friend, you should be able to find that option inside your profile once you have created your account and you've been using it for a while. So it's here in the top right, which is your profile. All you have to do is press on that and this will appear. Just go ahead and press on the my offer section, and if you find the refer a friend option, then that's good. You can go ahead and copy your link or copy your code. Then you're gonna have to go ahead and give it to the person you want to have it used. So once they go ahead and register for an account, which is basically just done in the main screen, or they can go ahead and open up the link. Pretty much depends on what your referral offer says. So they go ahead with the login or the register process, then they should be able to find the bonus code option right below the create logins. So they can go ahead and paste that code directly here in the bonus code. Then they can proceed with the registration form and create their account. Once they finish with both, then both of you will also get a reward for doing all of this. So that's pretty much how you can refer a friend in Bet365. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.